Hi everybody, my name is Manas Mani Kunal. I am Head of Engineering at Hamworthy Pumps. Hamworthy Pump is a market-leading pump manufacturer specializing in pump solutions such as engine room pumps, fire water pump packages, cargo oil and ballast pumping systems, exhaust gas cleaning system, etc. Hamworthy Pumps and Bosch Rexroth has been working together for the last 15 years. We supply emergency fire water pump packages to floating production and storage offloading vessels, FLNG and FSO vessels. Emergency fire water pump packages are fitted with booster pump, hydraulic power pack, diesel engine, and controller on common skid. Hamworthy Pumps manufactures integrated fire water pump package which supplies fire water in all emergency situations when there is critical demand of fire water pump running. Complete hydraulic solution and power pack is supplied by Bosch Rexroth. Power pack consists of Bosch Rexroth hydraulic pump, hydraulic motor, hydraulic tank, and accessories. Based on in-service equipment, Bosch Rexroth hydraulic power pack gives confidence in system without downtime. Longevity, reliability of components, and good support from Bosch Rexroth engineering team perfectly suits to the requirements of Hamworthy Pumps fire water pump package equipments. Bosch Rexroth delivers best-in-class quality which is critical for our fire water pump packages. Bosch Rexroth is first choice for our projects and has been a very reliable business partner for us in the last 15 years. Bosch Rexroth is a reliable business partner with many years of expertise, innovative solutions, global presence, and commitment to quality products and customer support.